In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your Canva presentation in .pptx or PowerPoint. So when I have this presentation in Canva that I have prepared using the Canva AI, let's click on it. You can see it slide by slide, slide by slide. It's about 12 different slides in this presentation. And I plan to export this in .pptx so that I can continue my editing within Microsoft PowerPoint. All I need is to come to share, go to download, and then I can come over file type. I can see PPTX. Okay. This is for Microsoft PowerPoint. And then I want to select all the pages, and then I can just go ahead and say download. And this has just downloaded my file in .pptx. I can now click to open it in Microsoft PowerPoint. Can enable editing. Then you can see all the pages. And the best part of this is all the elements are editable. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.